Not far from UC Santa Barbara and the airport, construction recently got underway on the San Jose Creek Bridge replacement project on State Route 217 in Goleta. I'm Jim Shivers, Caltrans District 5 Public Affairs Manager, to show you what you can expect the next time you go through this area. A project to replace the San Jose Creek Bridge on State Route 217 is in full swing. Travelers should remember to slow for the cone zone as crews work behind K-rail. The eastbound bridge will be demolished first, with all traffic utilizing the westbound bridge. A temporary bike path will be constructed over the westbound bridge. The concrete barrier rail was removed as the contractor is getting ready to pave for traffic to cross over from the eastbound lanes to the westbound lanes. This traffic crossover will begin soon, and the eastbound bridge demolition will follow. The new bridge abutment construction work will begin at this time. Keep in mind there will always be one lane open in each direction during construction. Signs are also posted to notify travelers of any future ramp or overnight closures. This existing 4-lane bridge was constructed in 1963. The new bridge is designed to current standards and flood elevations. MCM Construction of North Highlands is the contractor for this $26 million project. Bridge construction is expected to be complete in the summer of 2025. Construction is also underway on the US 101 San Jose Creek Bridge replacement project. Lane closures are currently underway, and they will continue with some full highway closures to be announced. Stay tuned for further details and do drive safely in the Caltrans work zone. This is Jim Shivers with a Caltrans News Flash.